Good evening, teacher and classmates. My name is Kevin Malvateco Muñoz, and today I'm going to talk about how to teach English skills such as reading, writing, listening, and speaking in English through different activities in the classroom. All right, let's get started. Activity to teach reading. First of all, to develop the reading skills of my students, I will create a comfortable and suitable environment for all of them to feel motivated to learn. All right. For example, I would take all my students to an open place inside the educational establishment where we can avoid the hassle for the classroom. To start the activity, I choose a legend from Ecuador called The Headless Man of Rebamba in order to let the students to get to know the cultures and traditions about of the city of Rebamba in this case. As you can see, this text is related to the Ecuadorian cultures, and in this case, it related to the traditions of the city of Rebamba. All right. As a teacher, I will use three strategies, which are pre-reading, verifying unknown words, and answering questions about the topic. All these methods will allow students to enhance their reading skills. As you can see, uh, these are all the strategies that I will implement in order to improve their reading skills. For example, comfortable and suitable environment, reading unknown words, and answering questions. All right. Activity to teach speaking. To improve my students' speaking skills, I would choose an article called Christmas in the United States of America. In this way, students will learn about the different traditions that Americans use when celebrating Christmas. To start with the activity, I will ask all my students to create a dialogue related to this text, and then they will have the opportunity to choose another classmate to start saying the dialogue out loud. All right. And at the end, we will all discuss a little bit more about this topic. All right. And in this way, they will be able to practice their speech and improve their speaking skills. All right. As you can see, these are all strategies that I will implement in order to improve their speaking skills. For example, dialogue, discussion, interaction, and participation. All right. In this case, the students will have the opportunity to speak with confidence with another classmate, and that way they will able to improve their speaking. Activity to teach listening. To improve the listening skills of my students, I would choose again an article called Brazilian Customs and Traditions. In order for the students to get to know a little more about this beautiful country, in this case, Brazil. To start activity, I would transform this text into audio through the Enki application so that the students will have the opportunity to learn new expressions, words, and a lot of vocabulary through spaced repetition. In this way, students will be able to retain more information in English. And in my opinion, spaced repetition is an useful strategy and resource in order to retain more information. That way, students will learn a lot of vocabulary such as idioms and new phrases in English. As you can see, these are all strategies that I will implement in order to improve their listening skills. Audio, spaced repetition, and Enki. In this case, Enki is an app that focuses on learning words, phrases, expressions through spaced repetition. And activity to teach writing. To develop the writing skills of my students, I would again choose a legend from Ecuador called the Smith family, so that my students have the opportunity to learn about the origins and culture of Cuenca City. All right, as you can see, this legend is related to the Ecuadorian cultures. All right, that way they will learn a little bit more about Ecuadorian cultures. To start the activity, I would ask my students to underline the unknown words in the text, and then together with me, I would teach them the meaning of the words. In this case, the activity consists of reading a sentence with each of the unknown words so that the students know their meaning according to the context. And in this way, they will be able to improve their writing skills and learn a lot of vocabulary. All right. As you can see, these are all the strategies that I will implement to enhance their writing skills, unknown words, meaning of the words, and vocabulary, because that way students will be able to learn new phrases in English and so on. All right, in conclusion, as you can see, all these literary text shows the Ecuadorian, as you can see, Ecuadorian, Brazilian, and I'm sorry, American and Brazilian cultures. And that's it. Thank you so much for your attention, for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.